Hi, I'm reviewing this microwave oven stand. It's nice height-wise, although I have to tell you from here to here is just 12 inches. And I think the dimensions online had it to 14 and a half here, and that's not true. It's here to here is 12 inches. My air fryer did not fit. Also, it leans. It's crooked. It's kind of hard to tell. I did set it up against my cupboard, so it's like flush here, and then you can tell it gets wider. But from a distance, like, you can just tell it leans, especially that one side. So don't know if I can.
I got this today, installed it within minutes, very fast. I love the material, nice and sturdy. It expands with no problem. And another thing that I like, it doesn't have a bar in the back, which is much better because you can push your microwave far back or further, like them other ones who have a bar. And